Namaste. I am Professor Dr. Pramod K. Raghav, Professor of Food Technology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. And today's session is butter oil making, how to make the butter oil. And it is of dairy engineering, BTech FBT 6th semester. So as far as butter oil is concerned, I am sure most of you would be hearing this word first time from me today, butter oil. Because let me tell you, I myself heard it quite late while doing the study. Now, the question comes, first of all, before I go and tell you the processing of butter oil from milk, question comes, what is butter oil? As the name suggests, oil of the butter, but then you would be surprised कि butter में oil कहाँ से आ गया? Or oil from butter oil. So let me tell you this butter oil. Butter oil is nothing but 99.8% fat, and that is known as butter oil. All right. So this is nothing but a butter which is having 99.8% fat in it, is known as butter oil. And now how this butter oil is made, just to tell that, I don't gonna tell you the stories here. I simply gonna share one of the process flow chart. And that process flow chart will explain itself how the butter oil is made from the milk. Because whatever products I am telling you making, I am all of those I'm telling you from the milk. So this is the butter oil or butter oil processing from the milk. And let me now share that process flow diagram for you. Here you go. And this is the diagram. Here you go, share. Here I am with this diagram. So butter oil looks similar to ghee. It is a pale yellow liquid, and majorly it constitutes of milk fat. It is milk fat, and it can be called as anhydrous milk fat. And according to FAO, WHO, anhydrous milk fat should have minimum 99.8% of fat. So anything which is having 99.8% of the fat, that is known as butter oil. Now, I told you that how to make it from the milk. So naturally you have to take first milk. After milk, you separate the cream using a centrifuge separator, a cream separator, and you get the raw cream here. This is the raw cream, which is 35 to 40% fat, nothing else. And from that raw cream, what I gonna do, first of all, I gonna pasteurize that. This pasteurization is done in a pasteurization plant. And once this cream is, excuse me, pasteurized, it is to be cooled at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. See here. And then I am taking it in a centrifugal separator. And then I'm just getting a cream of 75% fat out of that. And that cream I'm taking to the homogenizer. All right. And the phase reversal is done in the homogenizer. And again, it is taken to a centrifugal concentrator, and where I am getting a concentrated cream with 99.5% fat. So क्रीम को फिर मैं बार बार सेंट्रीफ्यूज में ले जाता गया, सेपरेट करता गया, ले जाता गया, सेपरेट करता गया, और तब तक करता गया जब तक कि इसके अंदर 99% फैट का क्रीम मेरे पास इकट्ठा नहीं हो गया, कंसंट्रेटेड क्रीम नहीं होगा। जैसे ही वो 99 पॉइंट पर इस पर आया, 99.5% फैट पर आया, so what I did, immediately I have heated it in 95 to 98 डिग्री सेल्सियस अप टू 95-97 डिग्री सेल्सियस को हीट कर दिया। हीट करने के बाद उसका मैंने वैक्यूमाइजेशन किया और उसके अंदर मॉइस्चर जो है वो 0.1% से भी कम कर दिया। और जो भी कुछ मुझे मिला, वॉट एवर इज द स्टफ, that stuff is known as butter oil, and that butter oil has 99.8% fat. All right, तो इस तरह से I processed the butter oil from the milk after separating cream from that milk, and this butter oil is 99.8% fat actually. So now you will be asking a question from me, after all, what we do with this butter oil? So in most of the cases, butter oil is used to make ghee, because what is the next step now? The next step now is just keep heating it up and take it in a ghee clarifier and ghee balance tank and then ghee storage tank, and you will get the pure ghee. So butter oil is used to make the ghee also. Plus it is used wherever, all the places wherever we need a concentrated stuff which has 99.8% fat in it. So wherever we need such type of stuff, I use the butter oil. So that's how I told you to prepare, to process the butter oil from either from the milk itself or directly from the raw cream which you have separated out of the milk. तो इस तरह से ये जो हमारा बटर ऑयल है पूरा का पूरा ये रेडी हो जाता है रॉ क्रीम से। और बटर ऑयल में एनहाइड्रस, एक्चुअली एनहाइड्रस मिल्क फैट है which is 99.8% in purity. So let me stop sharing this screen and then we will just discuss further about a couple of the things. So that was the butter oil making, butter oil processing. And as I told, butter oil is used in making the ultimately ghee in most of the cases. And butter oil is of pale yellow liquid actually, since name is oil, so that's why. And it is used for making the ghee. Again and again I'm just telling you. So mainly the type of equipments, if I talk, so if I'm taking the milk, then naturally I will need a centrifugal separator, which I call the milk separator, to separate the cream. Then I'll be needing a pasteurizer to pasteurize that cream. And then after pasteurization of that cream, again I will be just taking it in a homogenizer, and then I'm just be taking it in a cream separator. We'll be separating it out. More percentage of fat will be there, and then homogenization, and then cream separation. So keep on doing this. So I will need a battery of centrifuge separators, and I will need a pasteurizer, I will need a cream separator, plus I will need a operator, not the operator, but I will be needing a vat where I will be heating up this cream, and then I will be doing a vacuum treatment, then will reduce the moisture less than 0.1% and bring the fat percentage at 99.8%. So once you get the 99.8% of fat, whatever is the stuff, that is known as butter oil. So this type of butter oil, it is prepared and it is made, and that's how we make the butter oil processing. And as in case of ghee, I'm not adding anything to this butter oil. I'm not adding any type of salt. I'm not adding any type of preservative. I'm not adding any type of scent. I'm not adding any type of color. I'm not any type of stabilizer, texture enhancer, nothing. It is purely and purely a fat. So that's it. Remember always, we're not adding anything to ghee. We're not adding anything to butter oil. However, we add salt to the butter when we make the table butter, as I told the day before yesterday in lecture. But in this one, we don't need not to add anything. So it is as pure as the pure fat, pure animal fat, anhydrous animal fat, which is 99.8% in purity. Okay, so इसको ही हम क्या कहते हैं? Butter oil कहते हैं. That's what we call the butter oil, and butter oil is mainly used for making ghee. So I think I have told you the entire process, the definition of butter oil, the kind of equipment we use in it, the temperature, pressure, etc. The whole process flow chart I have shown you, and pretty much everything about the butter oil. So I don't think that there is anything else is left which I am supposed to tell you about the butter oil is concerned. And that's how you make the butter oil out of the cream. And the butter oil mainly it is used for making most of the time ghee. So that was it about today's session of butter oil processing and butter oil making from the cream. And if you have any question, naturally you can ask the question when you meet me in face-to-face class. You can write that in my comment box. You can email me your question. And that's all about the butter oil processing. Thank you. A good day. Bye-bye.